So hey world, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be reacting to Ruthless Terri Joe roasts that I quote daily. Let's see if we see any new clips, because I already watched a lot of compilations. There's a whole playlist of side iconic reactions, so search it up on my channel or stay tuned to the end of this video. But let's get into this one.
What would Terri Joe do? Who's Terri Joe? Who's Terri Joe?
Girl.
Who's Terri Joe?
Your mama.
Hello?
Hello?
Why are you hiding the dark homosexual? Come to the light.
Ooh.
Come to the light, homosexual. Ooh! Huh?
Pop my butt, pop my butt.
You got to have one to pop it.
Pop my butt, pop my
Yeah.
butt.
You got to have one to pop it.
Pop my butt, pop
You
my
can
butt.
pop that pimple on your forehead.
Ooh.
Or is that a mole?
Ooh.
It's a mom.
Huh? Oh, okay. Well, you look more like the rat to me. But Kim Possible. Now, where are you at and what are you doing?
I see you got an American flag behind you. Are you a believer of Christ?
I got an American flag behind me and an American in front of me. Let me tell you this. I ain't no believer in Christ. I am Christ.
Are you? What did you just call me, ma'am?
Maybe should we sing like a Christian hymn together?
We can if you want. My favorite Christian hymn goes a little something like this.
Honey, Daddy better make me chill. How did I know it was that exact song? Oh my god. Let me close my window because it smells like smoke.
And I love wine.
3 days in a row it smells like smoke. I'm about to beat somebody up. Oh, I hate the smell of smoke.
Deeply religious person there.
Is he still alive?
He is, yeah.
He's got to be what? 300?
90
No.
Woo!
I heard a song about that too, but it was like about Balenciaga too. I think it was a little something like this. What would Terri Joe do?
Who's Terri Joe?
Who's Terri Joe?
I said, who's Terri Joe?
Oh, should I not know? Should I know?
I'm confused.
Who's Terri Joe?
Leave the fossil alone!
Who's Terri Joe?
Oh, you're Terri Joe.
If I was 80 years old too, I would be forgetting people's names too.
U-N.
Yeah, that's my motto.
I know your motto is R-U-N, because that's what you always are asking. R-U-N. Because you're homosexual, and you're worried about what's going on up in your backside. But let me tell you this. You know, I'm going to ask you the question. Are you in the church? Are you in the spirit of getting your life together?
I didn't introduce myself. My name is Bob. What's your name?
Terry.
And that's is that short for anything? Like terrible? Pterodactyl?
No, just Terry. Terry
Oh, okay.
Joe, actually. That's my name.
What about Bob?
What is Bob short for?
Taco bitch. That's how you clear beats.
Getting on your knees for the men.
Oh, bug-eyed bitch. Yeah, I know this one.
Don't talk to me like that.
Look at his eyes, though.
What's positive is your COVID results. Put a mask on.
Were you silent or were you silenced?
There's no way to be no Christian while being a section. And I think you're one down there too, bug eyes. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. I get it.
Right now, but
Homosexual.
some point.
Are you homosexual?
Homosexual.
Is this the original?
I'm homosexual.
What's that?
That's so funny that I never saw the original.
Good.
Are you
What's
serious?
that?
I'm doing good. I'm just sitting in my house. And
Doja. Doja beats.
You look lovely.
If you know, you know.
Regardless of your situation.
Thank you. I wish I could say the same, but I just can't now, can I?
This is so funny. I always watch. If you stutter, you lose. But as I was saying, I always love watching Terri Joe. It is so funny, but not every clip is funny. But I like the ones where he roasts more. You know, the ones where like it's with strangers and not with the people that he already knows. Like those girls that he's always doing. Like at this point, it's not that funny anymore. In the beginning was more, but now it's more fun with strangers. You know. But yeah, I mean, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Don't forget to check out the playlist, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.